Hi and welcome to this video. Today, I will talk about the impact of 12 powerful affirmations on self-confidence. An affirmation is not just a sentence that we repeat. It's a tool that can transform our mindset and beliefs and guide us toward a more fulfilling life. I believe in this power and I want to share with you what it means to me. I'm Chantal, owner of La Plume Rêveuse. Please subscribe to my channel for more tools on meditation and wellness. So let's start with the first affirmation. Statement number 1. I trust my ability to achieve my goals and realize my dreams. Dreams and goals are within our reach if we have confidence in our ability to achieve them. This statement reminds us that the first step towards achieving our ambition is to have faith in ourselves. I am la plume rêveuse, meaning dreaming feather. So I have dreams a lot in my head. Even if the journey has pitfalls, I have the certainty that I can bring something to this world and achieve my goals. This affirmation is one of my favorites. Statement number 2. I choose thoughts that would positively impact my life. Our thoughts determine the reality we create. By choosing positive thinking, we open ourselves to opportunities and adopt a mindset that allows us to move forward despite obstacles. I'm not a person who's always, all the time positive, but I choose to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. It's like the story of the black wolf and the white wolf. The one that we feed is the one that evolves. Affirmation number 3. I express my opinions and ideas clearly and confidently. Knowing how to express our ideas confidently is essential to creating meaningful connections and sharing our vision with the world. This statement reminds us that our voice counts. I'm as a computer consultant, I had to learn to express my opinions and my deliverable clearly. And I built confidence over time and practice. Statement number 4. I believe in myself and my abilities, allowing me to achieve my goals. This statement reminds us that our capabilities are sufficient to overcome challenges and achieve our goals. It is about believing in ourselves even when doubts arise. My curiosity led me to try many things. By accumulating small successes and a lot of failures, I have learned to believe in my ability to move forward and pursue my dreams. Statement number 5. I am proud of who I am and everything I accomplished so far. Recognizing our value and achievements is essential to nurturing our self-esteem. This statement makes us celebrate every step of our journey. Looking back at my life, I see a fulfilled path. I am proud of what I've accomplished as a worker, a mother, and a woman. Statement number 6. I focus with confidence on my strengths rather than my weaknesses. What we focus on is going to flourish. Focusing on our strengths increases our confidence and creates a growth mindset. I have a low and a calm voice. I must have put my audience to sleep more than once during presentations in the past. However, I use this asset to do guided meditations. In addition, I have improved this aspect with recording videos and online courses. With practice, I have transformed this weakness into a strength. Number 7, I have confidence in my choices and decisions, allowing me to advance without fear of failure. Our decisions, even when uncertain, are part of our evolution. Having confidence in our choices is a step towards freedom and fulfillment. I have accepted and declined contract as a consultant. These decisions have led me where I am now. It would be too simple to say I'm not afraid of failure or making wrong decision. But I prefer the movement than stagnation and stay fixed. Statement number 8, I have great self-esteem, which allows me not to be affected by the opinions of others. Having good self-esteem is our best protection against unconstructive criticism. This statement helps us to stay focused on our values. I have I've learned to see criticism as constructive feedback, but that was not always the case. And if the critic is a mean one, then I don't care anymore. I understand that we cannot please and be liked by everyone. Number 9, every day I take action that bring me closer to my goals. Day after day, we build the path to our dreams through consistent actions. This statement reminds us that every small step counts. If I want to learn or accomplish something, I need to spend time on it every day. I firmly believe that words without action make no sense. Number 10, I attract abundance, love, success, and the life I wish for. Abundance is a state of mind, believing that we deserve the best. We attract experiences and opportunities that match that vibration. I love this statement because it reminds me to stay in the present moment and attract what I want. A vision board can help you materialize this idea. Number 11, I learn and I become a better version of myself every day. Personal development is a never ending process. Every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. This statement reflects that. I love learning and deepening my knowledge through readings and online courses. Personal development has been the heart of my life for years, and I think lifelong learning is the key to growth. Number 12, not enough fingers. I love myself and I have confidence in myself, and I'm living a fulfilled life. Self love is the key to a fulfilling life. This statement encourages us to cultivate compassion for ourselves and nourish our inner happiness. Self love has not always been present in my life. I had to provide my inner child kindness and compassion. You can do that too. So, those are the 12 positive statements, affirmations I wanted to share with you today. They can make a real impact by building self confidence and helping to attract what you want in life. I encourage you to Integrate them into your daily lives and see that changes they can bring. The, the key is in the repetition and the belief that you deserve the best. Thank you for listening, and feel free to explore my shop to discover inspiring posters that will accompany you on this journey. I wish you the best. See you next time.